This high-protein chicken quesadilla packs 50 grams of protein, takes about 10 minutes to make, and tastes just as good, if not better than takeout. I'll show you how to make it right now. Start with a mixing bowl to prepare your chicken filling. Drain the liquid from one 5-ounce can of canned chicken and add it to the bowl. Add 3/4 cup of shredded cheese. Add 1/4 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. This is what makes it so creamy and spreadable without extra calories. Add about 1/4 to 1/3 of a low sodium taco seasoning packet for flavor. Mix everything together until it's fully combined. Take out one large burrito-sized tortilla and place it on a plate or a cutting board. Spread your chicken mixture evenly across the tortilla, leaving a small border around the edges. Seal it with a second large tortilla and press down gently until it's sealed. Then we're ready to crisp up our quesadilla. Preheat a large skillet over medium heat and give it a light spray of oil. Place your quesadilla onto the skillet and optionally cover it with a lid to help it melt faster. Cook on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is golden brown. Spray the top with a bit of cooking spray, then flip it over and let it finish cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Remove from the skillet and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes before cutting so the cheese sets. Cut the quesadilla into wedges or squares as desired. I'm cutting mine into 4 wedges for today. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, sour cream, and fresh cilantro. Then you're all set with your creamy chicken quesadilla. It's ideal if you're in a hurry and want a quick, delicious lunch or dinner option. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 4 days in the fridge. While it won't be as crispy, it'll still taste great. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other quick high-protein recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.